Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a vacuum cleaner motor out of a Dyson DC40. I've never seen anything like this before. I thought I might just take it apart to see. It's a Panasonic motor. That's what they use. There you go. There's some codes. This must have made a hell of a racket when it was in the machine. That was clattering away. I think the only thing that's holding that on, like the thing that was holding it together, would be the rubber on the back there, and there would have been a rubber ring or something around it holding it in position. I wonder, can I lock it in position to get this off? I don't know that I can, but that won't stop me trying. I think on these ones that lip there might be pressed on all the way around. Let's might be able to jam that with something and try it. Like, I'm not holding out any hope of saving this, so it's just an autopsy, if you want to call it that. 10mm screwdriver. There we go. Bent the blade there, but that's okay. No, that hammer won't fit. There we go. Whoa, dusty. Don't know if you can see that. So we have a washer, we have the nut, we have the bearings. So the bearings were sitting in a housing that would have been rattling around. The fan blades I have caught, I suspect, because I bent that thing. Maybe not actually. This inner, no, they're just ducts, they're not fan blades. So yeah, that's pressed together. So you'd have to get a tin opener or something similar to get in there, and I'm not going to. That's the motor. What's holding that together? Let's take these brushes off. Let's see if we can see anything in here. Wow. Plenty of meat left on that. If that ever got any use, I would be surprised. Big long brushes there. I don't know if I've ever seen a vacuum cleaner motor fail like that. They're pretty rough around the edges, but they're, yeah, signs of burning on the tip there. What would make this come out? A blast of yours truly. I'm not trying to save it at all. The bearing feels okay, but of course it's just rattling away inside. I think that's it for this one. I've never seen anything like that. It's like it's just a little... Is it welded? It's like it's a little bent up tab or something that is then folded over, but it could be screwed through from beneath. I've seen another motor, I don't know where it is. There it is. This one here, this one's screwed on from beneath. So you'd have to unfold the little metal rim there and unbolt it, and then, well, you have to unfold that, pull this off, unscrew this, and then you get in to get the screws behind. Completely different motor. Does it have a name? YDK. This is off a DC41, and this is off a DC40, and you can see, you can't, difficult to see there. They are different sizes. Yeah, but Panasonic DC40, you're dead. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.